guide and led us throughout the years. Now, who I owe the greatest thanks of all, Mom and Dad. You were always there for me when I felt like I wanted to give up. You always helped to put a smile on my face and instill lessons in my head that continuously developed me into a trying young lady. You have been my inspiration, my supporter, and you always giving me courage to study hard and strive for the best. My teachers, who become my second parents, able to share us knowledge and patiently teaching us. Thank you so much for always making those things easier for us to understand. I learned a lot of wisdom and knowledge from our dearest heroes in school. My fellow graduates, my friends, thank you for being part of my life. Malungkot man dahil di na tayo madalas magkikita-kita, hindi na rin tayo madalas magkasama-sama, but my mom said, ang tunay na kaibigan ay mananatiling kaibigan kahit saan man tayo makarating. I know we all have shared amazing memories with each other. We cried on each other's shoulder. I see that the bond between us will never break. It will be something that we will always have. And last, I want to say thank you for MAS Christian School Incorporated for being my second home for 6 long years. I learned many different values from many situations at the earliest part of my stay here in MAS. Again, thank you and God bless you everyone.
Thank you so much, Colleen Joey. Kakaiyak na. Okay. Once again, thank you so much, Colleen. And now, let's call on our Assistant School Principal, Mrs. Francesca Kichi F. Espanto, to present to